All right, so I'm going to show you how to install Dropbox now. So Dropbox is a great tool for managing your files across multiple platforms. In another video, I covered, just the basics of installing OneDrive on your computer, which does this as well. So it's just another alternative. So Dropbox, you want to get Dropbox Basics, so you'll click that. While it thinks. All right, so I clicked on that button and it took a minute to load. So if you don't have an account, you'll create an account. Punch in your information, agree to their things, create an account, okay? And then obviously you'll be able to log into your account. So I'm just going to log into my account. Now I recommend downloading this app. It's a great application to keep things in specific folders synced across different platforms. All right, so it finally loaded. So this is my shared stuff that I have here. And what's cool, you can upload files, upload folders, make new shared folders, new folders, show deleted files, that kind of thing. Create new files. I typically have my Dropbox app installed. And they're really good about walking you through, like, here's some ways to get free space on top of this. For my online classes, I require you use Dropbox because I use this as my way to get your files. So if I double click, this is all of my folders I have for my Dropbox. I've directed it to this other folder here. And if you make a new folder inside this area, you'll see there's a little blue icon on here. Now it's a green check mark. And now if I come into this area and I hit refresh, there it is. There's a folder I just created online. And so again, I'm able to access this from anywhere that I need to. And I will delete this folder. If you do have me for an online class, you're going to take this folder here. You're going to make a new folder inside this area. And it works the other way too. So I make a new shared folder. I like to create a folder for sharing, yes. And you're going to give it your last name, underscore, the class number, 1320. That's my online class. And that should be it. That should all be all we need. And then if you type in my email address here, sarkonas@macomb.edu, and can edit, yes, so that I can make adjustments, and then say share. I'm actually just sharing this folder with myself. You're going to create a folder that then I can access. There we go. And then once you have Dropbox installed, you'll have a folder. You'll see that now in this folder, here's that Sarkona 1320. And then you can create your organizational stuff here. That's actually stuff that I'll be able to see. And as long as you have the app installed, it'll automatically update all that stuff. Okay, so when you drop stuff into here, the app is running. Windows is going to be down here. On a Mac, it'll be up here. It will automatically sync to this folder, and then when I log in, it's automatically available for me to go into my Dropbox and download what I need from your folder. Okay, so that's a great way to be able to use that. Dropbox, like I said, it's a really awesome tool. You get a bunch of free space on here. It might not be as much as some of the other ones, but the way I use it is perfect. So that's how you install Dropbox and some of the other components of it.